There's no standard recipe, no single way to be free. One size can't fit us all. Each life's a different call. But when you meet someone who's found the way, the light shines brighter than words can say. You wish you'd met them long ago, but you're thankful now, and you know the universe had perfect timing. Somehow they lift you up, they make you see what a good life is meant to be. That's true, makes others proud in all they do. They take their work with care and pride, but laugh at themselves, no need to hide. Their grace inspires, their joy is real. They leave a mark you'll always feel. You wish you'd met them long ago, but you're thankful now, and you know the universe had perfect timing. Somehow they make you see what a good life is meant to be. It's not the fame, it's not the goal, it's the warmth in their heart, the stories they've told. It's the way they make you feel alive, a quiet spark, a deeper drive. You wish you'd met them long ago, but you're thankful now, and you know the universe had perfect timing. Somehow they lift you up, they make you see what a good life is meant to be. Let your heart unfold, touch the world with a kindness bold. The ones who do leave a lasting sign, a reminder of love, a life divine.